One thing that I've seen a lot over 2025 is just not a lot of sense of urgency from a buyer's perspective, whether that's waiting for the bottom of the market or just anticipating rates to shift some way. But we are starting to see a little bit more momentum there. I think that there is a lot of anticipation with some of the Fed adjustments and their rates that we will see some rates drop in early 2026.
Yeah, I completely agree. And I think what we're seeing is some of the transactions, in particular in land, that have occurred are properties that were in distress, and somebody sees an opportunity there to get in while interest rates are starting to drop. Prices are, in some cases, the lowest that I've seen in 10, 15 years. And they're hoping to capitalize on both of those things at the same time, which, of course, from an investment standpoint, is kind of the best of both worlds. Lower interest rates plus an opportunity to build value.
And I think we see sellers who have been kind of sitting on the fence, waiting to list property or waiting to really get their property on the market and out there for these lower interest rates, just knowing that the buyer pool is going to be larger.
That's
so
right.
I think that we will see a higher volume of transactions in 2026 than we saw in 25.
Yeah.
So
I think there's still some distressed properties that are sitting on the market. That inventory is going to impact where, basically arm's length sales are going to occur. But as soon as that inventory sort of clears out and we start to see some return to normalcy, whatever that looks like, actually, I think we'll start seeing sort of that trend starting to tick upwards in terms of values and sales transactions actually taking place.
yeah.